The mud floods coming up from the top, going down here. The house was built here. And the 7 kids that got here in this area. the last baby boy got from that under the truck. You can see the remains, stuffed toys. Clothes everywhere. Stuffed toys everywhere. Notebooks. The place that you can see is where the house of the 7 kids. 7 kids that was being rescued from the typhoon Ketsana. And see how horrible the death of the 7 kids. Lumbers, big lumbers, rocks, and this spot where you can see the candle found the 6 kids around this area. And I said earlier, if you can see these blocks, this rock, the big rocks, under that rocks, they got the last casualty, a boy. All surrounds here before the Ketsana, all of this place has bamboo tree. But now it was washed away from mudslide coming from the top, going down here and pushed the house here. That's been here. So, you can see the blocks. As you can see, the houses also that was been torn out. You can see the remains, and now they have a new house built. The house that they want to fix, they want to make for 2 families. There are 2 stairs. One is from the man, the orphan father that you saw in one of our video, and the other one is his brother who has 2 kids that has been a casualty from Typhoon Ketsana. This was all began from the top of the hill. The mudslide from the top of the hill going down here. It ends. The baby boy ends from the big rock under the rock.